OOP, Object-Oriented Programming. A programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which can contain data and code. Dry, don't repeat yourself. This principle states that duplication in logic should be eliminated via abstraction. Pipe, package installer for Python. A package manager used to install packages from the Python package index. LEGB, local, enclosing, global and built-in. The concept of scope that rules how variables and names are looked up in your code. PEP, Python Enhancement Proposal. A technical design doc for the Python community which describes a new feature for the language itself, its processes, or its environment. BDFL, Benevolent Dictator for Life. A friendly way to refer to Guido van Rossum, creator of Python. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. A program that helps you getting your coding job done. IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. An IDE coded in 100% pure Python, using the tkinter GUI toolkit. Spider, Scientific Python Development Environment. The Anaconda IDE that gives you a lot of the scientific Python libraries. venv, Virtual Environments. The module used to create and manage virtual environments. GUI, Graphic User Interface. A friendly visual environment that allows the user to perform any action without having to have programming knowledge. CLI, Command Line Interface. Is a text-based user interface used to run programs, manage computer files and interact with the computer. CSV, Comma-Separated Values. Is a delimited text file that uses a comma to separate values, which allows data to be saved in a table-structured format. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. Standard to exchange data which is both human-readable and machine-friendly. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Specific name of the web address. REST, Representational State Transfer. A RESTful service used to provide APIs. API, Application Programming Interface. A computing interface to a piece of software, you call an API to interact with the system. YAML, YAML ain't markup language. And human-readable data serialization language. YAGNI, you aren't gonna need it. Principle of extreme programming according to which you need to add things and function only when they are really needed. TDD, Test-Driven Development. A software development process relying on software requirements being converted to test cases before software is fully developed. VCS, Version Control System, is the practice of tracking and managing changes to software code.